Hello guys, so as you guys can see, this is the result of 2 weeks trading. Yeah, 2 weeks I think. This is the daily, and look at my, I think 1 week. This is the daily. Look at my entry in odd JPI. Look at the entry, and I'm not getting out of this trade because it's really going down. It's going down right here. It's kind of hard for people to get entry. I know, even if you know the direction of the market. Sometimes it's hard for you to get entries. I got you guys. So I'm gonna make some videos, a few videos on this channel to show you guys how you guys can trade, can get entries and be able to hold the trade like I'm holding right now. It's not that hard, guys. So um, right now I'm gonna be making video to show you some tip and tricks so that you can like trade the way I trade and trade the way I'm able to hold trade. I think this one is gonna sell um, gold. It's gonna sell a little bit, so I'm getting out of them. Getting out of this. All right. So now that you see what I'm able to do in this market, let me show you how I get entries. Look at in the daily time frame. Look at as you guys can see, seems like USD card. Seems like USD card and Aussie. Look at the setup. It's the same setup. Almost the same setup. Look at they are doing almost the same thing, and I got my entries for all of them around here, you see. And look at the result. Look at how much I'm doing. So let me show you how I get entries, guys.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go over GBP USD. This is GBP USD. I'm gonna go over GBP USD, and I know you guys know that GBP USD is usually doing the same thing as Euro USD and as JG. They are always doing the same thing, almost doing the same thing. So I'm gonna go over these pairs so that you guys can understand why Euro USD, what Euro USD and GJ are doing right now. Is easy. This thing is not that hard. Sometimes people like to complicate the whole thing. That's why you just need to figure out where the price is going and then find your entry. That's it. I mean, I know that saying it that way seems like easy. It's a bit hard, but when you put the work, it will become really easy for you to trade this thing. It's not, I mean, I spend a lot of time in front of my chart, so right now it's kind of easy for me to trade. And I know it's not the same thing for you guys, but you have to put the work. You have to put the work. Once you spend a lot of time, you kind of start to see things clearly than you used to, and is normal when you first starting. Is really hard, and but you have to spend a lot of time. If you spend a lot of time on your chart, everything will be okay for you. So I know it's kind of hard for people to find entry, so I'm gonna show you. This is my secret. Is my secret. I didn't want to show it to anybody. People would take like tons of money before they show you this secret of this style of trading. But I'm not setting calls, and I don't have time to make calls, guys. I'm gonna give it for free. As Elon Musk says, the richest man in the world says everything right now. You don't need a degree to learn things. Everything is free. If you everything you want to learn in this world is free because people are giving up their knowledge for free. So this is a gift that I'm gonna give you guys. With this secret, you will be always winning in the market if you know how to trade it properly. So this is JBP USD. We are in the weekly. Let's go into the monthly to see. Let's go to the monthly. So this is the monthly. As you guys can see in the monthly, price is going down, right? Price is going down. Look at this. Look at price is going down. Retrace. This is a consolidation and then drop again, right? So, and come back right here and drop, right? So let's say this is a downtrend, and that's this downtrend. What you can see is that the downtrend follow this. The downtrend follow this. this trend, this downtrend follow this trend. As you guys can see, the downtrend follow this trend to go down. What this mean? This mean that right here the trend have been broken. Like you can see, it's easy. You know, the problem with a lot of people is that when they want to trade, they don't go into the to the higher time frame to see what is happening there. That's the most problem with a lot of people. You can know the market direction if you don't go into the higher time frame. I agree with you guys that this is not gonna make me money. Like the high time frame is not gonna make me money because I can get my entry right here because it's the monthly. But promise guy, what it can let me know is the direction of the market, so that if I go into the smaller time frame, it will be easy for me to know what the price is doing. And if I'm here right now and I know that price is selling or is buying, if I go into the smaller time frame, I'll be most likely taking a sell position than buy position, since I know that it's sell. So that's why I come here. So as you guys can see, this is what this was going down, and then look at clearly right here. It touched the trend line and then drop like crazy. You see, and then bought, break the trend line and test it, right, and then come to this resistance. So anytime this happen, anytime you will see this kind of setup, what price can do is to is to come back on the mean resistance, on the test of the trend line, like right here. You feel me? Price break it, test it, right, and go up right away. Go up, it bought. So what price will do right now? Right now, what price will be doing is to come back to test it like this. Easy, simple as that. Price will come back to test it and then go up. You feel me? Usually, this is the kind of setup price used to do, and simple as that. But for this one, what I'm expecting price to do, for this one, what I'm expecting price to do, let me take this one off. But you guys will understand why I'm saying that. Oh, let me leave it. Look at right here. Look at right here. Look at how easy was this thing. Look at. So price come here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and boom. You feel me? Boom to come right here. This is a possibility. It might come here, right here, or, oh sorry, I'm sorry about that. Price might go there, or price might stay here. I mean, this is the first target. One, the second target will be right here. Two, the third target will be right here. The third one. You feel me? And this will be like a kind of triple tap. This will be a kind of triple tap. I'm sorry about that. I wasn't looking for this one. This will be a kind of triple tap right here and go up. And this setup will be so perfect, and it will be truth. It will be a triple tap to go. Not only a triple tap, but let me remove all this. Not only a triple tap, but it will be like a kind of price follow this trend line, break it, and then instead of testing right here, price come all the way down to test this area of support. This area of support. You feel me? And it's truth. Price used to do that kind of stuff. Price break a trend line, come all the way down to test the main support, and then go. That will be the same thing. It will be like this, following the trend line by doing the dance shit that all the pairs are doing usually. Like right there, right there. Simple as that. Simple as that, guys. Simple. You feel me? And either way, that will be truth. All these are truth. I can be, maybe I'm not the guy of trend line, but I can honestly see that this is going to do a triple tap and go back. You feel me? I'll be right. But if I'm a trend line trader, I knew that I would know that price break this trend line, so you have to come back to test this. It will break this eventually and come to test here and then go up. Price can do that, or it might stay just right here, and then go up. But from my experience, I think that price will reach here before it go up. That will be what? That will be that will be like thousand something pips, and here will be like 600. Guys, if price come here, what I'm sure about as a trader is that if price come right here, I will know if price will buy from here or if will drop. I'm gonna know that. Here's one thing too. Sometimes people are not patient. That's the problem. For me, I know that the analysis that I'm making is that price will buy from here or from here. So if price reach here, I can spend like 2 weeks without trading. 2 weeks without trading just to see what price will do right here. If price break it, I'm okay with that. I won't take this trade. But eventually price will come back to test it. If it tests it, now I will know that price is dropping to come right here. So here's the thing. So let's go to the smaller time frame so that I can show you guys how I'm gonna find entry for next week so that I can be making money right here, right? So this is the monthly. So right now I know that price is selling. It's selling. Why? Because of this. Look at 1, 2, 3. This is like head and shoulder. So head and shoulder. Let me go into the weekly so that you guys can see it clearly. This is like head and shoulder. Why? Because price come all the way up right here, test it. The first, this is the first shoulder. Make this one, come back right here and make this shoulder two, and then drop. You feel me? Breaks it. When he break it, he come back to test it. He come back to test, and now it's dropping. Clearly, it's dropping. Easy and simple as that. And right now, I mean, I have to find my entry for next week, right? This is the way. You can see the date down there. Look at this is the date, 15 November 2021. So right now, how I'm gonna find my entry for this sale coming? Easy. So this is how I find entry. Now we are on the daily, right? Let's go back to the weekly. I know this is a downtrend, so I will not take this for buy. I'll always take this for sale. You see, look at right here, price sold and bought, right? But I know this is a downtrend, and I don't get any trade for buy because price could like not bought from here, like it could just like go down. So what is the reason for me for to take sell a trade for buy here, even if I know it's a buy? So I'll wait for a sell signal and then enter for sell. So right now, what I can see from here, and one thing, the people that got in this trade for sell right here will be making tons of money, and price will never come back right here. Is like this one. Price is not coming right here for lot of time for like half of year or a year. Price will not come back right here. Price is coming all the way down to here or here before you go up. So price will make like really long time before it come here. So let's go to what I was saying. How I'm gonna find entry. This is a secret. Look at how easy. Look at how easy I manage this. Look at this is really accurate. When you see a sell, it's easy. This thing is easy. Let me put it the right way. The right way. You see this? Look at. Simple as that. Simple as that. I know maybe this is the first time you guys see this. Look at how many times price bounce here. Look at price bounce here, and from there, pop. Price come back, go, come back, go, come back here, and go. And now instead of staying on that support, he breaks it and tests it. You feel me? Simple as that, guys. Simple. He breaks the support and now come back to test it, right? That means the next candle is not gonna have a longer wick like this. It's gonna only maybe touch the support right here, or if it's even not gonna touch it, and then drop, boom. You feel me? And drop. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. So let me go into the smaller time frame, and now understand something. Anytime you're gonna get in the trade, you have to know why you're getting in that trade, why you're taking the trade, and where is gonna be your exit point. Where is gonna be your exit point? This is two things. This is the thing that's gonna make you stress free when you're trading, because you know why you took the trade, you know where you're gonna exit, and you know exactly your stop loss. You know that if price reach this level, that then my point of view is no more accurate. Like I have to exit. So you have to know your stop loss. You have to know your entry point. You have to know your TP. If you don't know those things, don't take trade, because you're always gonna be stressed. So let me see the target where price is going right now. So as you guys can see, this is a big support. This is a big support right here. Right here. Right? So price can be dropping to reach this. But let me try to find another thing to confirm this, because you have, when you're taking trade, or when you want to define like where you'll be your exit point or your entry point, you have to find a lot of confluence. When you have a lot of confluence, then you cannot be more sure than that about what you're doing. Not only one confirmation, you want to have a lot of confirmation before you took your trade. That way you will be more confident. So right now I know that this is a big support, so this one can be my target, right? And I'm looking for another confirmation. So what I can see from here is let me see some, not this one, sorry about that, not that one. So I have two lines from there. Yeah, now I'm right. I have two support from here. I have this one, right? I have this one and this one. And what I can see from here, look at price in the weekly, seems like a week, but if you are going to the daily, you will see that this is a candle, it's not a week. So what I can notice from that is that price most likely from here, price might come back to test this area. You feel me? Or this one. It's gonna depend. It's gonna depend. Price can break it. Price can come all the way down here or here. It will depend. But I know for sure that this might be my target. So let's go into the daily to see. I mean, you can draw your trend line in the weekly or the monthly and come back to the daily or the 4 hour time frame to adjust them. So here's the thing. You see like how this is accurate. Look at, both are a strong support. This one is a strong support. This one too is a strong support. So price can stay on this or this, because even if I know that price is selling, it's not gonna be selling like crazy like this. It's not gonna be selling like from here and then boom. No, 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 no. He will he will sell, buy, but the sales are gonna be more than the buy. I mean the bearish movement is gonna be huge than the bullish movement. Like right here, look at, you see, that's why it's going down, because the bearish movement is bigger than the bullish movement. So price can come to this and then buy. You feel me? Can come to this because it's a big support, and then from there it's gonna buy. So here's the thing. I hope you guys can see it. And now, what I can see from here, from the first line, I need it to be more accurate. I need it to be more accurate. So for me, for this to be more accurate, this is why I'm kind of drumming. Let me see some. I mean, right here, let me see if it touched from here. I touch it a little bit. Touch this one. Yeah, this one too can be right. So here's what is selling. You feel me? I mean, I can put it right here, or I can put it right here. Right here. This one too will be nice. It will be the same thing. The same thing, so that I know why he's selling. That means price will never come back here again. Price will never come back here. I mean, he can come back there, but it's gonna be doing this. It's gonna be doing this. If price come back, go back there to that, it's gonna be doing this. Double tap and then drop. Simple as that. But the way I see this candle, it have to drop. Price have to drop. I don't think price will go back on this line again. So both are accurate. Like you see, touch it, it touch here, touch this one too. So I don't think price will go right here soon. So let's go into the smaller time frame. So that what that mean? That mean like price the next week coming, one candle is gonna come and maybe test this zone and drop. Test this zone and then drop. That will be 180 pip. Yeah, 180. The pips will be around 180. Simple as that. From here to here, buddy. Simple. And from there I think maybe price might buy. From there I think price might come from here to here, and then it might buy to come here and then drop. But right now that's not our problem. Okay, that's not our problem. Our problem is how we're gonna be making money next week coming to come right here on this support. So let's go into the smaller time frame. You see how the line was accurate? Look at the line. Look at easy. And let me see another thing to have more confirmation. I'm gonna explain you how I'm able to do that kind of line, and how I learned to do that kind of line. Easy, right? This is one too. Another one. I mean, you can train yourself, guy, to do this. It's not that hard, buddy. Yeah. Here's the thing. You see, price was going down, touch this, go out, touch it, come back to touch it, go up, and drop. Now he come to test it and test it again 2 times. What this mean? This mean price is going down, and not only that, I mean, I already know price is going down, but I'm trying to have more confluences. The more confluences I'm gonna get, the more confident I'm gonna be. That's why I'm showing you all this, so that you can like trying to walk the same way, and you will have more confident and know that price is going down or up, and be able to get your entry and take trade. So this is what price will be doing next week. You see, I was saying not only that, now I have another confirmation. Price break this one, this support, test it, come down and test it. Price will not come to touch, test it again. I don't think price will touch. And here's the thing with this RSI. Sometimes the RSI seems like price gonna buy and then he sell. Price will not always tell you what it's doing based off the RSI. Sometimes you see here price, the RSI was really up and then it dropped, right? But sometimes price, the RSI can be like really down, but price is still buying. I don't have example here, but I'll show you example another day. That happen a lot of time. Like price can be down right here and sell for long term. But some people, when they see the RSI down here, they kind of think like price is going up, and then they are getting it from buy or for sell, and then they keep losing, and then they keep losing here. So another thing that I want to show here is a resistance zone. Simple as that. You feel me? It was that place was a support. That place have been used as a support. This place has been used as support, like price come to test it, go up and break it, right? Another confirmation, test it, go up and break it. Now he tested right here. It was going down, but he come back to test it. Not only that, he tested and it touched this support line too, and now it's dropping. The only thing price can be doing is to go back to test this one. The only thing price can do is to go back from there, from here, to test this one and then drop, right? But from my experience, I know that price will not come back right here for sure. Price is not coming there. So next week coming, price will be selling like really quick. Price will be selling like really quick because of this. Price might like, let me show you some. The only thing I see price can be doing is this one. One, right? Price will stay here. 1, 2, 3, and then drop. What this means, price can be doing like only one candle, but that candle will stay. Let me go into the 1 hour so that you guys can see it clearly. So right now we are here, right? The only thing price can be doing, price went from here, right? Price will buy. Price will buy from here to here, right? And then drop. Before it drop, price can test this zone, test here, and then drop like this, like crazy. You feel me? So this is how I get entry. This is a, I mean, I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm gonna leave this video here. But you guys should spend a lot of time in front of your computer so that you'll understand. If maybe I went too fast, but you can like watch this video again and again, and you will understand how I'm able to draw all this trend line and this support and resistance is easy. This is not that hard. And then when you kind of see it, you see that all my line are very accurate. Look at this. Look at all the line that I'm drawing, and I'm drawing is really accurate. Like look at this one, look at the second one, look at this and this. They are all truth. Easy and simple and clear, because sometimes people kind of complicate things, like they're drawing a lot of trend line, a lot of support, a lot of resistance, a lot of shade. You see, you kind of see the chart, the you see the chart of some people is like this, is like how you can trade this way, how you can trade, how you can be able to trade this way. You can. And another thing, anytime price, I mean, I have more to say, but I can say everything in this video, guys. So stay tuned and trade at your own risk. But period, this is what is going to happen next week. I know it because I traded, and I was in this trade since here, and I have a lot of things to show you guys. So if you want, I mean, if you feel like, just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I'm gonna put out a video to show you new thing. But I have some things really secret too that I take to take trade and easy. That thing is accurate and it happen all the time in this market. So ciao, buddy.